Hello, Paul here from EMD. I just finished assembling everything back on this Porsche 996. This is a nice convertible one. Everything's back together. It's pretty much a full strip down of this area here. As you've seen on the previous video, basically everything had to come out. The wiring, the actual hydraulic pump, the hydraulic hoses, the actual the harness, the clips that holds it to the actual body. A lot of just muck around to get that out. So now I tested this yesterday and I left the roof around this way here, and I came back this morning. It's still sitting on the same spot. Usually if you have a leak on your hydraulic pump or your hydraulic line, you come back in the morning, that roof will just drop down straight away. Okay, so I came back in the morning, was sort of sitting on the same spot, and yeah, everything's back on. So now I'm going to show you guys what I've done. The actual job's already completed. So I'm going to actually, stay with me, put the ignition on.
Business. T's and C's apply. Visit judo.bet.
And then I'm going to activate the roof to close. Or the window's going to go up. If the windows go up, that means everything is completed properly and all the adjustments done correctly. Okay, so let's have a look around. Pretty much, if you see closely, everything is done. The only thing I'd probably tell this customer in the future, we have to fix up all this part here of the roof. See this part there, they're all coming off. Same on the other side as well. Just getting old, okay? But for now, just want to show you guys that it's actually working. So now I'm gonna open it. Windows go down, hook unlatches, take lid open. The pump's a bit noisy, but it still works. So okay, so let's go back here. Pretty much the whole roof is working now, back to normal. The rebuild was done correctly and everything's fine, didn't leak at all. And the pump's a bit noisy, but it's working. So something maybe in the future we'll get it done, but for now it's okay. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.